This introduction covers the training on sequencer and PLC, autocontrollers, and the training devices. The training on KTENG's autocontrollers is composed of the basic sequencer PLC course that teaches the operation of air conditioning renewable energy system by connecting with the on-off control of digital input-output load, the factory automation system course that covers the simulation of a factory line run by electric and pneumatic components, and the intensive PLC control course to practice calculating BCD data and controlling analog voltage current values. The device for the basic sequencer and PLC training is designed in a form of bag so that the device is convenient for storage while allowing training at anywhere with the power supply is secured. With the posts available to purchase as an option, the device can be used in a table form. The sequencer and PLC practice devices are available in various compositions with different types and numbers of in-output devices and different PLCs at the user's request. The sequencer practice device helps users to understand on electronic circuits through the switches, electronic contactors, motors, and other composing contact replay sequences, and allows users to wire circuits reading circuit drawings. The PLC practice device allows realizations of a sequence circuit with a contactless circuit by establishing a ladder program. Also, the bag-shaped devices of KTENG make control of each part of the system by connecting an air conditioning system and a solar or wind energy system with 36-pin signal cable. The course for factory automation system is to develop capabilities to compose, install, operate, maintain, and/or manage systems for manufacturing process automation and mechanical systems for related areas. In this course, attendees may learn on the how to run desired processes by operating motors, cylinders, and other components by processing input signals from switches, sensors, and/or other parts. The basic course includes the drill process of a selected product, the moving process of the product with a conveyor belt, and the finalizing of the product after checking for any defect. The checking process may identify each color, material, or others on a product if additional sensors are used. The intensive course implements a device close to real in a manufacturing site through total 5 process control components, including cylinder inserter, belt conveyor, pick and place, screw slide, and gear and suction ejector module. Each component is available for installation or removal easily through its own clamps. If the components are installed in a circular structure, a repeated process cycle that starts the input after completing the entire process becomes available. The intensive course for PLC control is composed of the digital input-out switch and lead covered in the basic course, as well as the position simulator, the stepping and DC motor simulator, the digital switch and 7-segment, and the analog input-output so that users may experience various components controllable with PLCs. The position simulator moves the plate to left or right as desired through changing the rotational direction of the motor, and the programming to stop the plate at a specific spot according to the signal of limit sensor is available. The motor component controls the stepping and DC motors. The principle of encoder can be learned by controlling the rotation of the motor through the signal of photosensor. The digital switch and 7-segment convert data to decimal numbers by using electric on-off signals from the 16 contracts. The system not only helps users to understand concepts on bit, byte, and word, but is available for the 4 fundamental arithmetic operations, including the addition and the multiplication, or even more complex calculations by using the commands provided in the program. The analog input and output modules apply 0 to 24 volts through variable resistors and can express analog voltages in numbers by sampling. The modules can calculate data and output desired voltages as well.